Welcome back to my channel, everyone. The Next Level Life Hacks, where we take the next steps needed to grow towards our financial freedom and success. Now, today we're going to be looking at the steps that we're going to take to make $500 per day using just 2 AI apps. Unbelievable, right? Now, it is well known that YouTube has been making phenomenal wealth for certain persons on the internet. We know of the famous Mr. Beast, who has been making approximately $1.8 million per post and has 168 million subscribers approximately. We also know of Kids Diana Show that makes approximately $297,000 per post with 112 followers so far. Now, this is outstanding. Now, this success is not only limited to those persons. You have the potential to make this as well by using YouTube. And what easier way to do so than by utilizing artificial intelligence? Now, you may say that you do not have the time to invest in this process. After all, more than likely you are starting this as a side hustle. You may also be camera shy and not want to speak on the camera. And also you might not have the time to invest in recording and editing of the videos. But what if you could significantly improve your odds for success? What if you could create a video and to edit the video in less than 10 minutes? Now, in automating your YouTube channel, you have two options. One would be to outsource the process to a third party. But then again, you might say that you do not have the funds to invest in this outsourcing. Or you might be someone like myself who likes to have control over my content. Or option 2 is to utilize artificial intelligence to automate as much of the process as is possible. Now, today we will be looking at automating the process of uploading to YouTube by just using 2 apps, completely stress-free and completely hassle-free. Now let's dive in. Now, in creating a video, there are 5 steps. Step 1 is research. Step 2 is video output or script writing. 3, voiceover. 4, video editing. 5, thumbnail. And 6, upload. Now, before you do the research, you need to select a niche for your content. Now, a niche is a select, reduced market that a material specifically applies to. Now, finance and education is known to be one of the higher paying niches on YouTube. So that could be your option to maximize the returns from your efforts and your investment of time. Now, tool number 1 that we're going to be looking at is vidIQ. vidIQ is an online education website that offers video tutorials and analytics on YouTube channel growth. You can therefore use vidIQ to determine the most feasible topic that you should create your videos on. Now, once you select the topic that you would like to do from vidIQ, then we are going to be going to the second app for utilization, and this is the InVideo app. Now, InVideo is a do-it-yourself video creation platform that enables users to turn their ideas into videos in real time using text commands. You can use an artificial intelligence app, create the command by text, and it will generate a video for publishing on YouTube. This must be the easiest and laziest way that you can generate an income on YouTube. Gone are the days that you would have to be laboring by speaking to a camera, then sitting and laboring over the editing of this video for a considerable time and then uploading to YouTube. Everything has been made easier for you. Now, after you have selected your niche, we are going to be doing the research for a title that will give you the greatest click and the greatest views. So we will be using vidIQ to create our title and to create what is the best use for it. So in vidIQ, we are going to type in, for example, the top 5 side hustles. And then we will select go. After selecting Go, vidIQ then generates the best title for the video. It gives you a description for the video as well as keywords to generate the best click rate for that video. It also gives you suggested thumbnails for your video. Look at it as well. It also gives you a script for the video that you can utilize. Now, apart from creating the title, description, and script, the app also gives you a voiceover of the script that was created. Let's take a listen.
Money on the side? Here are the top 5 side hustles to consider. Number 1, freelancing.
Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Let's move on. Now that we have the title for the video, we will be using the InVideo app. Now, there is a specific script that I will be recommending to you, and that script we will be copying and pasting. But don't worry, that script is going to be available in the description below. We're going to paste it into this box, and wherever you see the blank sections in the description, then you will just be adjusting it. So create a 5-minute YouTube video that is attention grabbing, relatable, and engaging for this topic. Now, for the topic, we are going to be copying the title that had been generated in the vidIQ. Then we paste it here. 5 side hustles you need to try right now. The video format should be storytelling, and the mode should be, and we're going to be selecting inspirational. How do we spell inspiration again? So inspirational. The voiceover should be, and we are going to be as specific as possible here because we can actually select the type of voice that we want to be created in our faceless YouTube video. So we are going to be selecting here a male, middle age, with a British accent. And the music should be, and we should put here as well, I'm going to be putting motivational. The next sentence says, add a lot of the stock footage or media that shows what is in the video script and that conveys the messaging of the video title. Then we simply click on generate a video. And depending on the memory or the storage of your device, then that will determine the speed of the video being generated. My system has limited memory and storage space, so therefore it is going to take a while for it to be generated. But what is going to be produced is going to be a high quality video based on the topic and the description that we had input in the beginning. Now, while the video is being generated, you will be asked for different options. You will be asked the audience type. We will be selecting entrepreneurs. You will be asked for the look and feel. Let's select inspiring. And we will be asked what platform the video will be used for. And of course, we're going to be selecting YouTube. So after that, we will be selecting continue. And the video will be generated in a few minutes. Now let's look at the end product of the video. And believe me, you will be amazed. Let's take a look.
Ever wondered how you could make your financial dreams a reality or overcome the challenges of living paycheck to paycheck? It's a common scenario, isn't it? The constant juggle between income and expenses, the struggle to make ends meet. But what if there was a way to alleviate these financial pressures? A way to not just survive but thrive? Side hustles, my friends, could be your answer. Today we're going to explore the top 5 side hustles that could potentially bring you extra income.
Now, isn't that amazing? In the space of minutes, we have created a video just by inputting text commands with high quality resolution, graphics, and content. Now let's continue. We will now be moving to the next phase of the video creation, which is editing. Now in editing, we simply will be clicking on the editing icon, and we can choose to select either the editing of the script or the editing of the graphics. After editing the video, it's simply a matter of exporting to our device for storage so that we can later upload it to the YouTube channel. Now there's one more step in the creation process, if you recall, and that is to create the thumbnail. Now you have two options. We can go back to the vidIQ. Remember, it had given us suggestions for the thumbnail that we could use, or if you want something more creative, you do not have to, but you can use Canva to create your thumbnail. And we had gone over that process in a previous video, so you can always refer to that. So now that your video is ready and your thumbnail is ready, it's now a matter of uploading the video to YouTube. Now you can create as many videos as you would like in the InVideo. It only takes you, as you can see, 10 minutes. So therefore you can be churning out these high quality material as frequently as you would possibly like. Now you can also schedule these videos for uploading and publishing on YouTube. You don't have to be publishing them yourself each day. You can set a schedule for every day at certain times of each day so that you can maximize your potential for monetization. Now, in order for you to make $500 per day on YouTube, you would have to be getting approximately 35,000 views per day. Now, you can easily realize that this is realistic and this is possible because of these apps that allows you to be churning out high quality videos on a daily basis. Your goal will be easily accomplished in little to no time based on how easy it is to be doing this. A simple side hustle that allows you to be doing this at nights, on weekends, during your lunchtime. You could even be generating these videos. Now, as usual, my viewers, if you have appreciated and liked any portion of this video, please like, share, subscribe so that we can grow the channel to the next level. Now, if you have any other recommendations for side hustles that could earn you these amounts per day and per month, place them in the comment section so that we can share with each other. As usual, take care as we move towards our financial freedom.